Bonjour, c'est David. In this week's French verb of the week, we're going to learn the verb se tromper. Tromper on its own means to cheat on, to mislead, or to deceive. So this is going to be tromper plus direct object. However, when it's pronominal, se tromper de plus noun means to mistaken or to have or get something wrong. Let's look at some sample sentences. Le patron trompe tous ses employés. The boss cheats all of his workers or employees. Le patron trompe tous ses employés. It appears that the man is cheating on his wife. Il paraît que l'homme trompe sa femme. Again, this is tromper plus direct object. Il paraît que l'homme trompe sa femme. They're trying to cheat us. So, ils essaient de nous tromper. Ils essaient de nous tromper. They're trying to cheat us. Now, we're going to look at 3 pronominal examples. So, sorry, I'm mistaking your first name. So now we're in the se tromper de territory. Pardon, je me trompe de votre prénom. Pardon, je me trompe de votre prénom. Sorry, I'm mistaking your first name. Sorry, I have the wrong date, or I have the date wrong. Désolé, je me trompe de la date. Désolé, je me trompe de la date. Sorry, I have the wrong number. Pardon, je me trompe de numéro. Pardon, je me trompe de numéro. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this has helped. Again, this is David, and I'll see you on the next video. Au revoir.